Nate from Nate's Productions here. Today we're going to unbox the Delta Force intake by Flowmaster for a 2018 F-150 5 liter. Should fit 2015 to 2018, that's the range. We're going to unbox it right now, and then in another video we will do the installation. So let's get this open. Get it out of the way. All right, we got a nice intake tube. We got a seal, I assume, for the air box. Packaging of rubber couplings, some clamps, probably like a breather hose. Put that over there. The box for the filter to sit in, I believe. And I'm assuming in this last box we have the air filter. So let's check it out. And yep, we have the air filter. Set that right there. And instructions. Don't forget the instructions. Put that there. And that's it. So pretty much what we were expecting. We got an intake tube, we got a filter, seal, clamps, couplers, intake box. So won't make this any longer than it needs to be. We'll wrap it up and check back soon for a video on installation. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.